Ever wondered how the internet connects billions of devices across the world? Behind it all is the network core, the invisible engine that powers our connected world. In this video by IoTDunia, let's explore what the network core is, how it works, and why it's so important. The network core refers to the central part of the internet infrastructure. It's responsible for fast and efficient data transmission between different networks and devices. Unlike the network edge, where users and devices connect, the core is like the central highway for data packets. Think of the edge network as the point where your phone or laptop connects to the internet. The core network, on the other hand, lies at the heart of the internet, connecting ISPs, servers, and data centers at high speeds using optical fiber and advanced routers. The main components of the network core include high-performance routers, switches, and ultra-fast fiber optic links. These elements work together to route data quickly across long distances without delay. When you send an email or stream a video, your request moves from your device through the edge to the core network. The data travels via fiber cables and routers across cities or even continents before reaching its destination. It's all seamless and happens in milliseconds. The core network is essential for fast internet, low latency, and global connectivity. Without it, we wouldn't have real-time video calls, cloud storage, or IoT services that require instant communication. In 2025 and beyond, the core network is evolving to support 5G AI and billions of IoT devices. It's becoming more software-defined, faster, and smarter, forming the foundation of smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and connected industries. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you want more details on network core, visit link mentioned on screen and visit IoTDunia.com for more tech and IoT insights. Drop your questions in the comments, we'd love to hear from you.